So you're going to, like I said, be turning these in as either a Word document or a Google Doc. And this is the unit template that we provided you with. It has some placeholder text in it, which you can just replace with text once you start writing. It will begin with an abstract, which you should wait till the end to write the abstract. Wait until you have written the unit in its entirety and you understand fully what it's about. Then your unit content section, you can start putting paragraphs of information in here. I'm using some dummy text here. Typically, we don't indent the first paragraph. We indent every paragraph thereafter, like this. That's the style that we've been using. Now, these headings are formatted with heading 4 style. And on the toolbar in your unit template, you'll have several different pre-formatted styles. You're going to be using heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. And the thing is, if you need to create a subheading, right, what you can do is you can start typing whatever that is, and you can choose the style that you want. So I'm going to make this heading 5, and actually that should be back at the margin like this. And so this is typically how a subheading would work. And you can make it heading 6 if you want a minor subheading. So by breaking it down this way, you make it easier for us to turn this into a web document like you saw in those examples. You have the same formatting, you have a common set of fonts that are used. I'm going to scroll through this. Now, each one of these placeholders just sort of reiterates what it is that should be in that section, and you can replace that with your own text once you have it, and then you can, change the file name to your name, curriculum unit 2022. Then once you start using this, you can delete all these instructions that I've put in here. I've described the different styles. By the way, the body paragraph should be formatted as normal text, single-spaced, flush with the margin, left aligned. And every body paragraph thereafter is indented, like I said. You have some other standards, like a block quote should be indented. And you can see, you can use these indents on the left and the right to shrink the margin for that area. You should not use bulleted or numbered lists in the main body of the unit, in the unit content and teaching strategy sections. You should avoid bulleted lists. It should be narration. However, it is appropriate sometimes to use bulleted lists in the classroom activities section or the appendix where you're listing resources. And both Google Docs and Microsoft Word provide you with some pre-formatted bullets, which you have up here on your toolbars. So we recommend that you use those when appropriate. And this goes over what the different styles look like. And that's pretty much it. So when you're ready to start writing, and we recommend that you start in ASAP, probably way before the prospectus is due, you should start thinking about what your unit is going to be. You can grab this template and start filling in these areas with your actual content.